Hey TT dolls, this is my current situation. Today is Monday. I didn't go to work today. I have some things to do. And besides, I was really feeling kind of iffy. I guess I needed my rest. But I'm here. I've been relaxing all morning, all day, watching Netflix, and I'm watching, what am I watching? I'm watching YouTube. Let me go turn my alarm off because the last time I was about to go outside, the alarm went off. If y'all remember that, that's in a previous video. I want to show y'all what a beautiful day it is outside today. See, it's a nice day. It's really nice out here. This is my backyard. Well, I'm not even gonna say backyard. This is the back of my apartment. I don't go out there. So I sit here. Of course, I have my pillows. I have my candles to keep the mosquito away. It's kind of warm out there though. But this is the candle right here. This little thing. It has a candle in it to keep the mosquitoes away. Probably Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna make up my mind and order my desk to go right here in this little area off Amazon Prime. This is some of my makeup. My little setup right here. I have a lot of little lipsticks and stuff up here. Some brushes. A few palettes, some of my Mary Kay stuff, lashes, Mary Kay bag, all kind of stuff. So, oh, these are the pillows that I put outside. And these are some shoes. I have no space. Like, I got so many damn shoes. I have shoes in the laundry room, shoes in my closet. I need to give some of my shoes away. I got too much stuff. My closet is a mess also. But yeah, I'm basically gonna run some errands. I need to stop to the store. I think I'm gonna stop by Bath and Body Works because they got the 75% off on the candles. And I wanna get some more, not candles, lotions and washes and things like that. And I think they still have the sale on the wallflowers, the wallflower refill. Dang, let me show you guys. I got this candle too. I paid $10 for it. They had candles on sale. And, well, they still do, but I think it's like $12 and some change. It was $10.50, but I got like the little soap and think that was like $3. You know, I love a sale, and I love Bath and Body Works. I got this candle here. It's almost gone. I got this candle. I like this because it goes with my house, kind of like that green and blue. But I'm gonna show y'all the wallflower that I got. This here. So these refills right here are $3. The actual things that it go in, it's not on sale. It's like $6.50 and up, depending on what style you want, because they got like the fancy ones, the blinged out one. I have a blinged out one, but I don't even know where the hell it's at. But yeah, I'm just here. I've been relaxing all day. This is what I'm wearing. Let me show y'all my outfit of the day. It's nothing, just a t-shirt and a Valentino t-shirt and some Fashion Nova jeans. Hey dolls, I ended up at the Stonecrest Mall. I hate this mall, but whatever. I came here for one little thing. I want to go to the Bath and Body Works and get like some lotion and bath soap. And basically that's it since it's on sale, which I told you guys that earlier. So I'm basically here. This Macy's, I don't really like this. I don't like this Macy's, period, because it's so empty. Look at it. Nobody's in here. I guess everybody's at work, but still, like, it's so fucking empty in here. Only thing they got going in here is MAC. That's about the only thing. It's the MAC counter, and that's super fucking small. But whatever.